Example 3, using the chain rule. Here we have a composite function, y is equal to 2x squared minus 1, all being cubed. The inside function here would be the 2x squared minus 1. This itself is a function of x. But then we're told that this function is being cubed. So the outside function here is that it's being cubed. So here we have a composite function. So if we want to differentiate this, we will have to use the chain rule. The chain rule says that if y is a function of u and u is a function of x, well then dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. What we are doing here is we are multiplying two different derivatives. In effect, it's the derivative of the outside multiplied by the derivative of the inside. Let me explain that with this example here. So let's call 2x squared minus 1 u. So we have y is equal to u cubed. If we were to differentiate this, getting dy du, what we would do is multiply by the power and reduce the power by 1. This would give us 3 times u squared. But remember, u is 2x squared minus 1. So we get 3 times 2x squared minus 1 to be squared. This is getting the derivative of the outside function. We multiply that by the derivative of the inside function, the u dx. When we differentiate 2x squared minus 1, we get 4x. We might neaten this by multiplying 3 by 4 and getting 12. So we have 12x multiplied by 2x squared minus 1, all to be squared. And that's the solution. Let's apply the same idea to the second example here. We have y is equal to the square root of 3x squared minus 2. Square root means the power of a half. So the inside function is the 3x squared minus 2, and the outside function is that it's all to the power of a half. So dy du would be a half times u to the power of negative a half, multiplying by the power and reducing the power by 1. Then this is all multiplied by the derivative of the inside, and the derivative of 3x squared minus 2 is 6x. We might neaten this by maybe multiplying a half by 6 and getting 3. So we have 3x by 3x squared minus 2 to the power of negative a half. We could write this in fractional form also. The power of negative a half means dividing by the square root of. So we have 3x being divided by the square root of 3x squared minus 2. Either answer is okay here though.